Hello and welcome all of you to Dr. Zin, and I am in conversation with Dr. Khan, the general and laparoscopic surgeon, Al Shaq Hospital. Hello and welcome to the show.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Sajid.
Well, doctor, what is the definition of laparoscopic surgery? That is what we'd like to know.
Laparoscopic surgery is the other name for minimal access surgery or the minimal invasive surgery. The common people don't know this name. The surgery is commonly known as keyhole surgery.
Okay.
Why it is a keyhole surgery? Because surgery is done through small cuts. And before conventional surgeries, patient used to have a bigger cut and surgeon would operate through this big opening. Now with the advancement in technology, we have instruments where we make small cuts in the abdomen and then we go inside and make this surgery. So that's why it's called a keyhole surgery.
Well, doctor, what are the cost implications of the conventional type of surgery and laparoscopic surgery?
As far as the cost is concerned, when the patient has a bigger cut, he has to stay in the hospital for more time. His recovery takes a week's time. But with this keyhole surgery, this is based on the concept that time is money. The patient undergoes through this surgery with very small cuts and then the healing is faster.
Okay.
So that's why the eventual cost comes down to be less than the conventional surgery. The recovery is faster, he stays less in the hospital, he goes back to the work very early. In many centers, it is a day case surgery. Patient is admitted to the hospital and leaves in the evening.
Okay.
So eventually it's more cost effective than the conventional surgery.
What are the facilities that you have in connection with laparoscopic surgery as far as Al Shaq Hospital is concerned?
We have a general and laparoscopic surgery department. It is headed by Dr. Abdul Hamid Senan, who is also a laparoscopic surgeon and a liver transplant surgeon. The laparoscopic surgery is basically divided into basic procedures and more complex, advanced surgical procedures. As of now, we are doing all basic laparoscopic procedures like laparoscopic appendicectomy, laparoscopic cholecystectomy, laparoscopic fundoplication, and laparoscopic gynecological procedures like ovarian cyst and ovarian tumors. We are in the process of advancing our department, and then we will offering to our patient in East Coast, Fujairah, more advanced laparoscopic procedures like bariatric surgeries and complex colon and rectal surgeries as well.
Well, doctor, we would like to know as to when did the existence of laparoscopic surgery or keyhole surgery come into practice in a very broad manner, and what is the scope of advancement in this field of science?
Well, doctors have been trying to make smaller surgeries for more than 100 years, but eventually it is around in 80s the laparoscopic surgery has really picked up, and in early 90s the doctors saw that it was a gynecology surgeon who would do gynecology in Germany, would do gynecology procedures with keyhole surgery. And through his presentation of his papers, the doctors came to know of the importance of laparoscopic or the keyhole surgery. It really, in all aspects, it really picked up in 90s. Now, in the current scenario, most of the patients and even doctors are offering keyhole surgery rather than the conventional surgeries. This, as I told you before, the scope has increased to colon and rectal surgeries, to gallbladder surgeries, hernia surgeries. So most of the abdominal surgeries can be done by laparoscopic surgeries. There are other ways of minimal access surgery people are doing for thyroid and other places, and thorax and chest surgeries. But so this is one of the ways where virtually all aspects of the body can be accessed through minimal access surgery.
Doctor, what is the scope of keyhole surgery in the field of sports medicine? Because nowadays, so many sports personalities face so many issues, and then the role of keyhole surgery in their day-to-day activities as well.
As I said, starting from the gynae procedures and coming to the abdomen, the minimal access surgery or the keyhole surgery is not only limited to the abdomen. It has advanced its scope, and virtually in all parts of the body it is being done. the sports medicine doctors are increasingly, and the orthopedic surgeons are increasingly using this technology and technique to carry out complex surgeries in the joints. They taking fixing the fractures in the hip and injuries to the knees, especially the football players. So they don't have to get a full cut. Now with the small scopes and instruments, the doctor can fix their joints, can fix their ligaments, and the healing is faster and recovery is faster. And the sports person can play again in a very short time.
Well, thank you, doctor, for your valuable time and valuable information. We look forward to hear from you in the near future as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Sajid. We welcome you to Fujairah, and then thank you for coming here.
Thank you.